Having trouble scanning your Tesco Clubcard QR code? You're not alone. Many users experience issues related to screen brightness, network connectivity, and the need to refresh the app. As of late 2025, these are still the most common culprits. This section will help you quickly diagnose the problem. First, ensure your screen brightness is at least 50%. QR code scanners need sufficient contrast to read the code. Next, verify you have a stable internet connection. Either Wi-Fi or mobile data is essential. The app needs to communicate with Tesco's servers to display a valid, up-to-date code. Finally, if neither of those works, try refreshing the app. This forces the app to generate a new QR code and can resolve issues caused by outdated data. Remember, the QR codes expire after a few minutes, so a refresh is a common fix. If the basic fixes don't work, let's dive into some more advanced troubleshooting. For screen brightness problems, avoid auto brightness settings, as they can sometimes interfere with the scanner. Manually setting your brightness to around 80% often resolves the issue. For network issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or briefly enabling airplane mode and then disabling it to reset your connection. If you suspect the app's cache is corrupted, clear the app's data in your phone's settings. Note, this might require you to log back in. As a last resort, ensure your Tesco Clubcard app is updated to the latest version, currently version 5.8.1 on iOS and 6.2.0 on Android. Tesco releases frequent updates that address known bugs and improve QR code scanning reliability. Also, keep an eye out on Tesco's community forums or App Store reviews. Other users may have found workarounds specific to your device or situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most QR code scanning issues and enjoy the benefits of your Tesco Clubcard.